In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Enter key in Excel. Let's start by opening Microsoft Excel. Once Excel is open, you're ready to begin working with cells, entering information, and navigating your worksheet more efficiently. The Enter key is one of the most commonly used keys in Excel, and for good reason. It plays an important role in everyday spreadsheet work. When you press Enter, Excel can confirm the data you've typed, complete a formula you've entered, and then move your selection to the next cell. This makes data entry much faster and more organized, especially when you're working through a list. To understand how this works, let's look at a simple example. Imagine you have a small table with product names in one column and prices in another. If you click into cell B2, type 50/100, and then press Enter, Excel will store that value in cell B2. Right after that, the active cell will move down to B3. This is the default behavior in Excel, and it's very useful when you're entering data vertically, one row after another. This is the recommended method for entering data and moving to the next cell. First, select the cell where you want to type your information. Then enter your text, number, or formula. After that, press Enter. Excel will save what you typed and automatically move the selection to the cell directly below. That means you can keep typing without having to manually click each new cell. This simple action can save a lot of time, especially if you're entering values into a long column. It also helps reduce mistakes because you stay in a consistent flow as you work down the sheet. One helpful thing to remember is that pressing Enter does more than just move your cursor. It confirms the entry. So if you're typing a number, some text, or even a formula, pressing Enter tells Excel that you're finished with that cell. Until you do that, Excel still treats the entry as something you're actively editing. As you practice, try getting comfortable with the rhythm. Click a cell, type your value, press Enter, and continue to the next one. It's a small skill, but it makes a big difference when working in Excel. And that's how to use the Enter key in Excel. Once you get used to it, data entry becomes quicker, smoother, and much more efficient.